sorry to bother you, but your sprinkler out front
Yeah.
is broken.
that pause. Oh, hi, sorry to bother you. Like, that is psycho. Wagwan YouTube, you know, it's your boy Click, man. You're tuning into Click React. Today we're gonna be looking at some Karens, and not just regular Karens. These are Karens who steal and who got caught stealing at people's doorsteps. You know, those people that they see your package, they see UPS just dip off real quick because you know UPS likes to chuck that shit, and they're like, "Hey, free package for me." So they go and help themselves, man. Guys, if you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit subscribe, turn on post notifications, drop a like right now, man. The like and sub is the important thing out here, man. And let me know what you think about these moments. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.
The whole World Wide Web to bring you the funniest war that takes place on
Honestly, you know those cameras that are like the other color? It makes them look so much worse.
daily basis all over the world. Karens versus Ring doorbells. And boy, did we find some wild ones. So let's dive right in. Somehow this clip seems to show that this Karen isn't a dog person. Do you think she reacted the right way?
Hello.
Honestly, I used to do this with my dog. When I don't want to answer the door, I just answer it and have her there because she was wild.
Hello. How are you? My name's Veronica. Nice to meet you. Oh, sorry. That was really rude.
Sorry.
You let him do that to me.
No, I didn't.
I don't even know who you are, man.
No, I'm sorry. See,
I'm not this kind of dog, but like.
no, he's super.
I love these kind of dogs, but it's okay. You know what? It's having my.
Okay, cool. Come on, Zeke.
I mean, that worked out well. The fuck? That was kinda
Regardless of
rude.
Karen not being okay with being filmed, she's still okay with trespassing and damaging somebody else's property. Make it make sense.
Mm-hmm. Husky. I mean, if you got a husky, man. What? What? She out of her mind? Oh, okay.
Forget being woken up by natural light or an alarm clock.
Yeah, this night vision on cameras make people look extra crazy. Like, I don't know what it is.
Poor people are woken up by their crazy neighbor Karen, and she's caught red-handed.
Like, what?
Karen, go back home. Stop hitting my door.
What the fuck?
Stop home. Shut up. Go back downstairs. Hit my door one more time. Karen, you need to go downstairs.
What is wrong with this lady?
Go downstairs, Karen. Nobody cares. Nobody cares.
She back again.
You're making...
Yo,
Here we
this
see
lady
a
is
lady
funny,
displaying
bro.
very common signs of being a Karen. It's not looking good for her, especially considering she can't even mind her own business.
Hello?
Oh, hi. Sorry to bother you, but your sprinkler out front
Yeah.
is broken,
that pause. Oh, hi, sorry to bother you. Like, that is psycho.
and its water is spewing out.
Spilling
So
out.
you either need to tell the property owner, or I will unfortunately have to report you to the water district for misuse of water.
What?
So I just wanted to let you know about your sprinkler.
Okay.
The water what?
Kevin here doesn't seem to understand that he's actually committing a crime here, but I don't think that's going to stop him either. Do you?
Wait, what? Yo, what? What? I'm confused. Brother, I'm really confused. That's what you get. That's what you get, nigga. What is you doing? Like, what? Man got
Karen's meltdown
a
caught
fucking
completely
slap
on
with that
camera
door.
almost has very bad results for this Ring doorbell. Take a look.
All over a cat.
Yeah, let me tell you something, man. Anytime you see somebody knock, ring a doorbell, anything in with that speed, it's a problem. It's about to go down.
Open your door.
Excuse me? Okay.
What do you want?
I want to talk to the grown-up who lives here.
Okay.
Why? What happened?
Answer the door.
Okay. No.
Answer the door.
No.
No, I don't even know who
I'm
you
your
are.
neighbor.
I don't. I've never seen you before. Yo, look at her. She's like,
Something
Yes.
wrong?
she's like breathing hard.
Oh, can you tell me what it is?
Open
You
the
seem
door.
pretty angry.
What the fuck?
I really don't want to open the door.
Yeah, so she's not gonna open the
Until
door.
it lets you calm down.
Right, I can't believe this shit is real.
Open the door.
Cause a me would be like, get the fuck out of here.
I'm sorry.
Can you just tell me if something went wrong or if
Yes.
something happened? I'm not aware.
There is something wrong.
Made you angry.
So say what it is then.
Who are you?
Well, can you tell me what?
Huh?
You're the mother of this house?
I'm the mother of this house.
Yeah, there's an adult. Speak.
Great. Well, we've never met, so let's meet.
No. Bro, this is so funny to me that this
Your
lady.
cat doesn't stop pissing and eating and biting all of the things at my house when I don't own a cat and you do.
Then what?
I'm going to get the police involved because
Oh
I am fed
my
up.
god.
My son is very allergic to cats. Your cat will not stay out of my yard, my house, my garage. He gets into my house.
Okay. So, fair enough. You know, you should be able to control your animals, and if the cat is going over there tormenting the shit out of her house, you gotta keep the cat away. But the way you move about it, like, it's kind of psychotic. Like, we gotta be real here.
Keep your cat.
Keep your fucking
It's your
cat
cat. I've
out
already met your husband
my
about it.
fucking house.
It's your cat.
She hasn't denied that it's her cat.
Yes, you do, and you don't keep any of them inside. Keep your cat inside.
Mm-mm.
Your orange cat.
Bro, she seems possessed.
If you would open the door, I can show you.
Show me what?
This entitled Karen really wasn't happy with the tip
Show
she
me
received,
what?
but you won't believe what she did next.
Oh, she's waiting for her tip. That's happened to me before where, like, somebody brings me back my change and they don't give me back the full change or shit like that. I think it's wild. Or they'll leave their hand.
No, I could speak to you actually. I'm sorry? I need to speak to you. I don't think you realize where they're coming from, so I need to speak to you. Where what's coming from? Where the food you ordered is coming from. I don't think you realize the distance that it's come from, because then you would never actually have given what you gave. So
Gave?
I think you can come and see face to face.
Or what? What are you gonna do then?
40 minutes. I drove 40 minutes, and it was.
This is your job.
And I got it to you early, so I don't think you realize where you ordered from.
Okay.
I don't understand. Well, I think from where? From the restaurant that you ordered from.
Okay. Is that your job?
You realize you ordered from Colmac and you're in Smithtown?
Okay, but is this your job or my job?
15-20-minute drive. It's not. You need to try to drive it. I just drove it. It's 40 minutes. It's 12 and a half miles. So I don't think you realize how far it is. So I think you have to pick up if you think it's that far. They don't let us know how far. So I think you need to adjust your tip
No.
to make it right.
Nope.
You gave an $8 tip.
I would have changed it to 4 now.
What the hell are you looking for?
problem? Psycho ass. I'm guessing this is American.
Imagine if this Karen
$8
didn't
is a
work
good
for the
tip.
FBI. I wouldn't trust her anywhere undercover.
Who are you? Investigator from the California State Board of Equalization.
Equalization, eh?
Okay, so
So
who are
do you,
Fuck y'all do over there, adding shit.
do you own this property? Are you the owner?
looking for?
Yeah, this is the problem with this video right here. These people actually answer them, but I guess it's more entertaining that way. Me, I would not be answering them. They would be straight, get the fuck out of here.
Well, then I'm pretty sure if you're the tax fraud investigator for the state of California that you'll know how to find a property owner.
Trust.
Well, if you're not the tenant on a lease, then I'm gonna have the police out here and have you removed in 2 days.
Do that then.
You understand?
You're funny.
Do that.
You're laughing at me?
Yeah.
You look like you're on drugs.
Unless you,
okay?
I'm dead.
looks like you're on drugs.
You can't see her.
It doesn't matter.
Well,
It doesn't matter.
We'll see what the police say.
It doesn't matter. It
Well,
doesn't
what the
matter
police
if
say.
you're. Well, this house looks like it's got issues.
I mean, this is what happens when you miss your medication, I believe. Honestly. Like, all jokes aside, this is medication misuse right here for you. An example of it.
You look like you have issues.
And there's no. Okay. Oh, some to your door. You got squatters here at this property, and I'm
What?
going to prove to the police that you don't own it. Okay.
You're a squatter. You're on my property. Get off of it.
Actually, you know what?
Bro, shut
I'm
up.
gonna have you removed from this property in 2 seconds, and I've got your phone number out here and your son's card, and I'm gonna make sure that he's doing no construction without a license.
Okay.
Handle your business.
I'm dead.
Handle your business, because this house is like.
Yo, her vocabulary is so low. Most of what this lady said, she repeated it back to her. Like, shut up.
Like, go take a shower.
Spider webs in your
Oh no, she's one of those. She's one of those people that you'll be like, oh, you're dumb as fuck, and she's like, oh, you're a lint licker type of shit. Oh no, you gotta go to roasting school or something, man.
You had spider webs in your crotch.
Oh fuck.